Have you tried and tried again to figure out how to divide mixed numbers, but you just can't do it? Well, that's what I'm going to help you with. Today, I'm going to be teaching division with mixed numbers and mixed number division with the whole number. Let's get into it. So first, what I like to do is do the keep it, change it, flip it rules. So we keep 2/4 and change division to multiplication. And then we find the reciprocal of 6/12. And the reciprocal is switching the denominator with the numerator, which is where the switch comes in. So then instead of 6/12, we write 12/6. Now we see if they have any common factors. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 2 divided by 6 equals 3. So that means that they have common factors. Now we see if these two numbers have common factors. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 4 divided by 12 equals 3. So we do 1 times 3, and then 1 times 3, which equals 3/3. And if we need to simplify that 3/3 equals 1. So our answer is 1. Now on to mixed number division. So I change it to an improper fraction. So in order to do that, I multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 8 times 3 equals 24. Then I add that number plus the numerator, which would be 26/26. And then we add on the denominator, so it would be 26/8. Then since we're still doing the keep it, change it, flip it rule, we change division to multiplication, and then we change the second number into an improper fraction. So 4 times 1 equals 4, plus 3 equals 7. Well, 7/4. But since we're still finding a reciprocal, it would be 4/7. 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 4 divided by 8 equals 2. And then 7 can't go in the 26 because 7 times 4 is 28, and 7 times 3 is 21. So then we do 26 times 1 equals 26, and then 2 times 7, which equals 14. And to simplify that, so our answer is 26/14, but we need to simplify it. So the way I simplify is just doing 26 minus 14 equals 12. But I can't do 12 minus 14 because that would be -2. So that would, since I used one whole, that would be, our answer would be 1 and 12/14. But we need to simplify it. So 1 and 12/14. So the way I simplify is I divide both numbers by 2. And so divided by 2 would equal 6, and divided by 2 would equal 7. And then we add the 1, which would add to 1 and 6/7. So to prove my answers are correct, I'm going to show you. And so my answer is 1. My answer for this is 1, so equals 1. What did we get? We got 1. Well, that doesn't really look like a 1, but it is. And so for our other answer, we got 1 and 7/6. So equals 1 and 6/7. What did I get? 1 and 6/7. So I hope you can benefit from this, and I hope you learned how to finally divide mixed numbers and whole numbers.